Welcome to a new video of Phoenix Models Reviews, and today we're going to unbox the last one of our series, the AAA A380 series, so to speak. It's the last one in green. Yeah, let's check out the box quickly. Basically it's the same like the other boxes here on the side, just in a different color. The registration is JA382A, so this is the registration. It doesn't have any order, the registration, I think, because this one is JA382A and the blue one is JA928A. So this one is 3, the other one is 9. So I don't know what the reason is behind this registration scheme, so to speak. Let's check out the box from the front here. Also a bit childish here, to be honest. I don't mind it too much. I think it's pretty cute with this green tortoise. It's actually the correct color, because I don't know any orange or blue tortoise, but yeah, this one is the correct ones, we could say it like that. There also in the back, it looks really childish. Could be like of a child series for like 4 to 6, for children with the age 4 to 6. So yeah, but come on, I don't mind it. I think it's pretty cute. It's something different, and yeah. Let's check out the model. I'm pretty sure I know what's going to expect me. Okay, let's hope I can open this. I always try to open it really carefully, but sometimes I need to change the side here. One side, sometimes it's even getting better than the other one. Okay, this was difficult to wow, this is difficult to open now. Okay, it's going, but it was difficult to open. Because I really don't want to destroy the package. Also, like I saw a pretty good offer on it's like the Swiss eBay. It's not Swiss eBay, but like the Swiss eBay, and they offered an A380 Air France for like $20, I think. But I didn't go there, or like I didn't buy it, because in the end it had no box, and for me, like, the box is like, it's a part of the collection, in my opinion. There is the model, still with the plastic on, so that's nice. And okay, first of all, it's not, yeah, you can see it yeah, I think the color is pretty accurate on the camera. So it's not really green, it's more like a turquoise, I think you say it like this, a mix between green and blue, this color. I think it's not too bad, actually. I really expected that it would be like this green, like, or maybe like this, but yeah, it's more like turquoise. Correct me if I pronounce it wrong or so. To be honest, also a stunning model. I think I made up my mind now, and I think I would say this one is now the least special of all of them. I think the orange one is pretty special. Then I would go for the blue one, and last but not least the green one here, or the green, blue one, turquoise one. Yeah, let's go quickly to the zoom part. Basically, it's not much difference from the other models, but hey, come on. Okay, there we go. First of all, we have the eye again, the little smiling face, and again the shell of the tortoise, or turtle, as you like to call it. I think what's standing here, Airbus A380-800, I think. Here we have the tortoise as well, also with the same antennas like the other ones. Here we have the first one, here we have something protruding, another antenna, and then the box to get the signal for the internet. We have the Japanese flag, ANA sticker here at the back, and the registration again, JA382A. And of course, the beautiful ANA tail. Looks amazing in my opinion. Really beautiful. On the other side there isn't any difference, to be honest. So I'll show it to you quickly. Yeah, I think I won't zoom in again, because it's basically the same. It's not much difference at all here. Let's quickly do a top shot here. There we go. JA382A. And the red dots here. Yeah, basically it's the same as the other models. Little bottom shot, and then a close-up of the engine. Here we go. Wait, let's turn it around here. Again, ANA, inspiration of... Ooh, this landing gear is a bit Okay, this one is not too good here. Yeah, this one has been a bit bent. Let's see how it looks like when it's standing. It's not too bad, but here you can see there something didn't work really well here. Actually, not too happy with this one. Yeah, this one is a bit disappointing. I'm not sure how the others are, but this is pretty disappointing. Yeah, but yeah, it's like these models in general, how should I say, maybe I can do a little off-topic talk here. You always need to be a bit lucky with the models because, you know, I think they are produced in China or in Hong Kong, I'm not too sure. And I will show you quickly the wings without saying anything. It's like they produce them in Hong Kong, and you need to take into consideration with the humidity, with the heat, with everything, with the shipping. It can bend. It's like the metal is so thin, and it will, of course, when it gets hotter, it's simple physics, everything will extend more or less. And if it gets colder, everything will shrink, so to speak. And yeah, and here we have the same again. I would like to mention this as well. Here we have the red dot registration, and if you turn it, it's the other way around. So yeah. But still pretty cool model, and it's getting dark outside. We have a little thunderstorm here. Okay. Yeah, in general, my little resume, so to speak. Great models. I'm a bit disappointed with the gears here. I'm always a bit cautious to fix this because I don't want to break this model. It's too nice in my opinion. I mean, if it stands still, wait, I need to see it for you. Yeah, you can see it. So you can see it if you put it like this, you can't really see it, but on the other side you see it pretty well. Maybe I can zoom a bit in to show it to you. Yeah, now you can see it a bit here, and also this one, especially in the back. You can see it now. Yeah, it's a bit disappointing, but hey, this can happen. To be honest, I think this is only my second model that I really have a complaint about. So when I unboxed it brand new, so actually it's not too bad, but still. You always need to be a bit lucky. I mean, in general, they're fine. I would say like, okay, I think this is my 32nd model now. I still have here, and I bought probably like 36. So like every second, so every 6% of the models about, they have maybe some little damages, some inaccuracies. So just keep that in mind, just to let you know. Ooh, the light is coming really special now, so that's pretty cool for the video. Okay, I hope you liked it. I will try and see if I can fix it a bit with the landing gear. Nevertheless, I don't want to break it, and we'll see you soon again. Your Phoenix Models Review.